With your blessing, today I am a boy from a poor family in a small village of India. I am starting this new channel with the intention of doing something big. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's move forward in this video. Today I will tell you about the 5 major tourist destinations of India. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Taj Mahal in Agra, listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Taj Mahal is counted among the 7 wonders of the world. It is a symbol of love and a marvelous example of Mughal architecture. Jaipur and Udaipur in Rajasthan. Jaipur's Amber Fort, Hawa Mahal, and City Palace are iconic tourist spots. While Udaipur is famous for its lakes and palace, Udaipur is also known as the city of lakes. And next, Goa. Goa is for its beautiful beaches, circus, and vibrant nightlife. It offers a blend of Indian and Western cultures. And number 4, Kerala. Kerala, known as its lush green landscape, backwaters, and the hills of Munnar. Kerala is often called God's own country. And number 5, Manali and Simla in Uttar Pradesh. Located in the lap of the Himalayas, these hill stations are known for their natural beauty, snow-capped mountains, and adventure sports. These tourist destinations represent India's rich culture, historical and natural heritage and offer a unique experience to every traveler. Let me know in the comment section how you like the video.